how do you set up OpenClaw? You can set up OpenClaw on pretty much any machine you own. A spare laptop, a desktop PC, and right now Mac Minis are super popular for this. But for beginners, those options can be a bit inconvenient. You're usually dealing with things like keeping the machine on 24/7, port forwarding, and making sure your setup stays stable. And they could be unreliable because the moment your computer sleeps, restarts, or your internet goes down, your assistant goes offline too. The main requirement is simple. Wherever OpenClaw is running, it needs to stay online 24/7. And that's why most people end up using a VPS instead. A VPS, or virtual private server, is basically a computer in the cloud that stays online 24/7, so your assistant is always there when you need it. And once you have that, deployment is pretty straightforward. You deploy OpenClaw using Docker, which is just a way to install and run it without manually setting up everything from scratch. My preferred way to do this is by getting a VPS through a hosting provider called Hostinger. Hostinger has a one-click OpenClaw template, so even if you've never used Docker or deployed a web app before, you can get it running in just a few minutes. If you want to use that one-click OpenClaw template and get the lowest pricing possible on your VPS, make sure you use the first link in the description. Using that link will take you to the correct setup page for this exact process and automatically get you the lowest price possible. After that, you add your API keys, which is what OpenClaw uses to actually generate responses. This part is usage-based, so keep in mind you're paying for the AI credits as you use it. Then you'll do some dashboard configuration, connect it to the apps you want to use like Telegram, and set up skills like Google Workspace so it can begin integrating with your workflow and start assisting you with your daily tasks. And the nice part is you don't have to figure all of this out on your own. Once OpenClaw is running, you can literally ask it to help you connect things and walk you through the next steps. And if you want to follow the exact setup I recommend, I actually just made a full step-by-step tutorial that shows you the easiest way to deploy OpenClaw, connect everything, and get your assistant working the right way. You'll find that video linked in the description down below.